The inclusion of medical curricula for greater training on the detection and reporting of child abuse and neglect. Article is authored by the following scientists. The goal of this paper is to raise awareness of the lack of suspected child abuse and neglect skill knowledge and training among medical students, as well as to provide them with a foundation in the presentation of child abuse and neglect in the clinical setting, and to help those unfortunate children who may inadvertently fall victim to such behavior have a brighter, more positive, and secure future. Child maltreatment and neglect are becoming more common around the world. This rise has been noted in the United States and around the world, and many incidences of child abuse and neglect are considered to go unnoticed and unreported in the United States and overseas. Practicing physicians and their supporting medical professional staff, including nurses, medical assistants, and mid-level providers, are in a pivotal position to assess, document, initiate and report suspected child abuse and neglect during initial physical assessments, where the suspected injuries may easily be documented during such physical examinations. Introduction. Medical students spend years learning both the science and practice of medicine, with a packed schedule that leaves little room for extra subjects. Important topics like nutrition and child maltreatment often get overlooked, even though they greatly impact patient health. One serious issue, known as suspected child abuse and neglect, is not properly covered in most medical school programs. Despite growing awareness and research, child maltreatment continues to cause serious harm, including long-term psychological and behavioral problems. Unfortunately, many medical students feel unprepared to identify or report SCAN when they begin their clinical training. This isn't their fault, it's due to the overwhelming amount of information they're already expected to learn, and the lack of clear systems in both healthcare and law to guide them. To better protect children, medical schools need to make SCAN education a clear part of the curriculum before students start working with patients. Conclusion. This deficiency in the preparation of medical students can lead to more unreported cases of SCAN and more children left as victims of repeated child abuse and neglect. The purpose of this paper is to bring renewed awareness of the deficiency in medical students' knowledge of and training in SCAN, as well as provide them a foundation in the presentation of child abuse and neglect in the clinical setting, and engender a brighter, more positive, and secure outcome for those unfortunate children who may inadvertently fall prey to such behavior. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.